Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, open your books at page number 6. Today, I am going to start chapter 6, that is word of sports. तो आज हम sports के बारे में बात करेंगे. So, the first part of the chapter is tick the correct option or options. तो हमें क्या करना है, ऑप्शंस जो हैं उनको मार्क करना है. फर्स्ट इज विच स्पोर्ट इज प्लेड इन अ रिंग. तो वो कौन सी स्पोर्ट है जिसको हम रिंग में खेलते हैं. ऑप्शंस आर स्केटिंग, स्कीइंग एंड बॉक्सिंग. मार्क द राइट ऑप्शन बॉक्सिंग. सेकेंड इज नेशंस दैट प्ले लॉन टेनिस compete फॉर द Ryder Cup, Davis Cup or Durand Cup. The correct one is Davis Cup. So mark B option, Davis Cup. Third is which sport links Parupalli Kashyap, PV Sindhu, Lin Dan and Lee Chong Wei. Options are badminton, lawn tennis and table tennis. Mark badminton. Badminton links Parupalli Kashyap, PV Sindhu, Lin Dan and Lee Chong Wei. Fourth is in which of the following sports are matches conducted by a referee. So mark the two options here, soccer and ice hockey. Soccer and ice hockey are conducted by a referee. Fifth is pick the golfers. So try to recognize the pictures of these three famous golfers. So all the options are correct. So mark first Tiger Woods, second Rory McIlroy, C is Jeev Milkha Singh. So all the three options are correct. Sixth is which is a racket sport played by hitting a ball against the walls of the court. The options are badminton, squash and lawn tennis. Mark squash. Seventh is the Tour de France is a car rally, bicycle race or a motorcycle race. So mark bicycle race. The Tour de France is a bicycle. Eighth, pick the squash players. So here are the options: Deepika Palikal, Deepika Kumari and Joshna Chinnappa. So mark Deepika Palikal and Joshna Chinnappa are the correct answers. Option A and option C. Next is ninth. Which of these are played by hitting balls on a table with a stick called a cue? So all the three options are correct. Snooker, pool and English billiards. So ये तीनों ही क्या है जिसमें टेबल पे बॉल को हिट किया जाता है with the help of a stick. Tenth is the Korean martial art in which many kinds of kicks are used is mark taekwondo. तो taekwondo क्या है, एक कोरियन मार्शल आर्ट है जिसमें बहुत सारे तरीक़ों की जो किक्स है वो यूज़ की जाती है. 11th is sabre, foil and ippi are type of weapons used in fencing. So mark fencing. 12th is equestrian sports involve. The options are swimming, cycling and horse riding. So yes, mark the correct option, horse riding. 13th is which game is played in the stadium shown in the picture. See the picture and try to recognize the stadium. Yes, mark baseball. Baseball is played in that stadium. So this is all about the first. The second part is name the sport. So you have to see the picture and write the name of the sport. Yes, this is motocross. The person rides the bike on a rough road and it is called motocross. Second is rodeo. Rodeo means it is a skill or a competition in which one can control the animals. Third is paragliding. So write paragliding. Paragliding is an adventurous sport of flying paraglider. D is hang gliding. In hang gliding, one person fly a glider. So write hang gliding. The E part is tubing. So in the tubing, what you see that the two persons swim in the water with the help of a tube. The last is harness racing, right? Harness racing. In this, the race is done by a man with the help of a horse. With this second part complete. Third part is football World Cup quiz. Fill in the blanks. So options are given and we have to choose the correct option. A part is dash hosted the first FIFA World Cup. The answer is Uruguay. Uruguay, Uruguay. B is the first trophy was called the dash trophy. Write down Jules Rimet. Jules Rimet was the first trophy. C is the golden ball is given to the dash best player or top goal scorer. The answer is best player. Golden ball is given to best player. D part is the golden boot is given to the dash, right? Top goal scorer. GOAL goal, SCORER scorer, top goal scorer. E is India never qualified for the final round. True means कि उन्होंने बोला है कि इंडिया ने कभी भी फाइनल राउंड के लिए क्वालिफाई नहीं किया. बट द आंसर इज़ नो बिकॉज इंडिया क्वालिफाइज बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट इन 1958. तो 1958 में एक बार जो इंडिया ने क्वालिफाई किया था फीफा के लिए. F is Brazil won their first World Cup in 1958 dash then 17 was brilliant and the name of player is Pele, P-E-L-E, Pele. G is dash hosted the first FIFA Women's World Cup in 1996, right? China. H part is the dash won the first FIFA Women's World Cup, right? USA. So this is all about the chapter number 6. Thank you very much students. Be safe, stay healthy.